These boxes that they are using to pack in the pepper after sorting through it, they are apple boxes. These boxes are used to transport apple. Now when apples are sold off, these boxes are collected or bought by pepper farmers, because pepper farmers use them to transport pepper from the garden or collection center to the company. These apple boxes have the capacity to hold a lot of pepper and to keep it safe as it moves from one place to another. I was trying to ask him how many kilos go in that green thing, and he said things to do with kilos you better ask uncle, that is Mr. Dale. For us, our job is to sort through and that's it. So they are doing this right outside the shop. Tekisobola mwasa aba akaluba ekiko ekyokundu